real quick. My collection of all sorts of diodes. It's not collection, it's actually for sale. Everything here is for sale. Here, boom. All Soviet, all Soviet, all Soviet. Selenium diodes. Boom. This 6 to 30 made me feel that they are for radio use because the M. Okay, here. Germanium diodes. I don't know if these are, but they are mostly germanium diodes. Then this thing. This is just some glue, but they are brand new. Some gunk. Oh, then boom, boom, boom. I had similar of them here. You can put the numbers in Google and see what they are for. These are like ceramic ones. I will zoom in so maybe you can see the numbers. Yeah, you can see the numbers upside down. Sweet. Then I have a bunch of these too. And then I have these too. So yeah, and then I have these two. And I have new, brand new in boxes. All boxes are like this. There are orange ones, blue ones, green ones, and stuff like that. So yeah, if you need anything from this, just holla at me. I have these things too. Variable capacitors. I have these one position switches. And I have same switches that is used in Soyuz, if you know what Soyuz is. And there they are. These are the puppies that were used in Soyuz. Exactly these ones. So these are military grade. They will withstand radiation. They will withstand energy pulses. They will withstand a lot of things, and all what they are, I think, are the same as these ones. Let's see. Yeah, they are the same ones. You see? Exactly the same ones. If we look from the back. Yeah, and see here, you can see the mechanic that the switches. So this thing that is riveted on is just made this one position switch into two position switch. That's it. So yeah, and I have quite a few of them if you need some. I have bigger switches too here. Then I have not only switches, but I have connectors like these. They are copper but silver plated. You can see that they are copper. This is used. I have brand new ones there too. So yeah, I have a lot of things from Soviet era. So if you need anything from Soviet era, yeah, just call on me. I have like gazillion of these. Now we are in a different place at my house. So yeah, these are um, toroid coils. Sorry that they are not clean, but yeah, you can clean them, and you can put copper wires around, and you can make chokes and stuff. These things are really, really, really cool because some of them, I think I took most of them out, but they were. I want to show you. I think this is one of them. Yeah, you see, I can turn this and I can turn this too, which is really, really crazy. There's some wire on it and it's not being used. You can see that there is no solder on it. So yeah, it's a two-way switch. So if you put like this into some box, you can actually make two switches in one. There's like one switch around and then smaller switch or whatever. And then I have these things again. Things like that. Again, a lot of germanium diodes. There are some stuff there too. Yeah. If you need any of this, just holla at me. Wow. I have so many like really, really interesting quirky things that you will not find in any other place because they all are destroyed. These are like ground diodes where you ground some stuff. I don't know. Then I have these connectors here, bigger connectors. This is for a light sensor that I have, brand new. These are just some mirrors. If you want, you can buy them too. They're pretty crazy mirrors. Then I have this thing for a vacuum tube. Then I have these things, 36,000. They are not being even open. You see, they are brand new. This is being open, and you can see how much is there. And then I have all of these things. Oh my god, I just did not. Well, I guess it's for good luck, right? And this proves that it's not plastic, it's glass. So, yeah, I will pack that really firmly when I will ship it to somebody. And then I have these things, which I really like. For radio enthusiasts, this is really cool, right? You can just put there some screw and put it wherever you want. Find the right place, boom. Done deal. Yeah, this is like grounding. Somebody was doing something, grounding something. There are leaves because this all was in shack. And some of them are not normal resistors. They have like really strange things that you usually will not find on normal resistors. Or the values are just like, what the fuck? Lol. This even comes with paper. 457 picofarads. And I have a bunch of these too. So yeah.